Is anybody in the area?
Oh my God! Well, tell me that, right? Don't be under there. You know, I'm just trying to see where you're coming from, shit, right? I told you I don't trust police, gentlemen. And then you tell me, well, I'm just casually investigating. It's interesting, man. And I don't think that's right anyway, man. I'm just out here feeling, you know, doing what I can do by right. I didn't think you did. I caught that vibe out you now. You know, you're just like everybody else, but you're investigating.
Yeah, I gotta.
No, you do not. Yes. Yes.
So cool. Oklahoma Community Watch, chilling.
Yeah. I get that part. You don't think I'm part of that shit, though. You know I'm not. I think it's squares that has done. You know when you're part of this shit.
Give him some information. I come, I ask questions.
You got more questions? I'm interested, man. You got
No,
more
I'm good,
questions?
man. You got any questions for me?
Yes.
What's your name and badge number?
Go ahead. Maybe my man got questions.
What's your name and badge number? You live on this block too?
Say that you live on the block.
I don't, man.